Hi, it's Nick from Jordanbikes in Leeds, and I'm here to show you this Yamaha MT-10 that's for sale. The store is closed, but it doesn't mean you can't buy a bike from us because we use an external delivery company and they can deliver it to your door within the next few days. So if you want it, drop us an email and we'll ring you right back and gladly take your money. So this is a 2016 bike. It's had 2 owners from new and it has done 16,609 miles. Lovely and clean bike. There's the odd little stone chip on it. I'll just point out there, in the interest of honesty, a little chip there. It's got R&Gs on it. It's had a little rub there, so that has done its job. But this is just me being super honest, because obviously you're not in a position to be able to come to the store and look at it yourself. It's got a Scorpion exhaust there, nice red power exhaust. Evotech tail tidy, radiator guard as well. Fantastic bike. These using the same engine as the Yamaha R1 crossplane crank engine, just tuned slightly differently. Power modes, ABS on these, traction control, really good fun to ride. Cruise control as well, perfect. Right, I'll just start it up so you can have a little listen to it. Stonking engine these, I can't think of anything else to tell you about it really. It's lovely, tyres are in good condition as well. They'll be getting a fresh service as well, I believe, before it goes out. And that's it. If you fancy it, drop us an email, get your name on it. Thank you. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.